Welcome, folks. Let's go walking with the folks. Come on, let's go.
Enter the monitoring area.
Okay, here's something about cats and dogs and coffee. What this one vet says. It says ground coffee. Your cat probably doesn't enjoy the smell of your morning coffee ritual as much as you do, and that's a good thing. Caffeine in the form of brewed coffee, the grounds or beans, can cause toxicity, poisoning in cats and dogs. For this reason, it's not recommended to sprinkle coffee in your yard or garden as a cat deterrent. So that's another thing to remember. Coffee can be poisonous to your animals. It's pretty cool out today. Oh, wait a minute. Stop, Barker. Wait a minute. Oh, how did it get around you here? Oh, get me out of the lake. There we go. There we go. Well, I got to fill up the bird feeders. I didn't do it yesterday. It's empty today. Pretty cool today. It's like 41 Fahrenheit. Wind chill is 36 Fahrenheit with that wind blowing. I bought some plants at that farm store today. Vegetable plants. And I got them in my studio greenhouse. I'm not going to plant them for about another week or so when it gets warmer. We got some colder air coming in the middle of the week. Okay, the bird's not... Oh, Barkley, come on. Somebody down the street there look like they're getting up old leaves or something. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Barkley. Okay, go pee. Good boy, good boy. Lucy, stop it. Yeah, birds not really eating off this feeder too much. You think they would. I think I'm going to move it next time. I'm going to move it over here in this flower bed. Could do it today too. Okay, let's go in. Come on. Thank the folks for walking with you. So thank you. So we love to walk with you. Yeah. Don't you? Don't you? Yeah. Thanks for watching.